Good morning, and here are your top 5 stocks to watch out for in today's trading session. Well, let's begin with the very contentious UPL. They hosted a conference call yesterday, and essentially they said with respect to the current accusations that the issue was brought up in 2017, that the audit committee chairman had investigated it and that the auditors had reviewed the last 7 years of transactions between this company, and they also reviewed all other family accounts. They've taken legal opinion. It was observed legally. You also had a lot more clarifications that were made in this conference call, where they went ahead and said that the audit with respect to the current shareholding of the structure of the property, that the company is not a UPL subsidiary, it's not a related party of UPL. Samir Mehta used to lease it to UPL, and the holding company is owned by Samir Mehta. So as of now, they're saying that the auditor head, that at the time of the complaint, he was a member, they vetted it and they went to Jay Sagar. As of now, this is a whistleblower complaint, but it's not come in from the board member. Anyway, you've got brokerages reacting. JP Morgan on UPL has still maintained an overweight with a target price at 550, saying that the headline noise continues to overshadow the operating performance. No new complaint from the existing board members, but the previous whistleblower report has been investigated, it's been cleared, and the operational performance in 2021 will be better than 2020. Watch out for SpiceJet in trade as well, as the company has indicated that there will be a tie-up with Snowman and Om Logistics. This is for the vaccine delivery. They are setting up distribution amid their lack of clarity from the government, saying that there have been logistical difficulties of transporting and delivering the temperature-sensitive COVID vaccine, and they are partnering with Snowman Logistics and Om Logistics in order to try and have seamless distribution of the vaccine. Ircon International, watch out for that, as the company has been awarded the work. This is for upgradation of the Gurgaon Palod Rewari section of the NH352W. In fact, this work is going to be undertaken and is going to be executed by an SPV, so watch out for this stock. You've also got Gayatri Projects. They've received 3 LOAs. This is for the pipe drinking water schemes from Namami Gange and Rural Water Supply Department in UP, and the company's share in the JV is at about 97.5%, total value at 1,332 crore rupees. PNC Infratech, watch out for this. They received a letter of acceptance from the Rural Water Supply Project, EPC. It's close to 952 crore rupees, and PNC Infratech's share in the joint venture now stands about 95%. So watch out for all of these stocks. They're going to be in focus in today's trading session. Your top 5 stocks to watch in